Check these out. These are booty wipes and they are Bootyful. You get a pack of 640 booty wipes, 320 for women and 320 for men. And they're infused with aloe as well as vitamin E too. And they're also very strong as well. And this is also perfect for just washing your face or your hands too. Great to take with you to the beach, to the park, to camping, fishing, and so much more. Heck, this is even perfect just to keep at home in your bathroom too. So this is booty wipes, and let me show you how they work. All you have to do is open up the top and pull out a booty wipe. And it's that easy, and you're good to go. So look how big and strong these are. Very durable, but yet soft and gentle too. These are also free of alcohol as well as parabens too. These are also flushable too. They're made of plant source fibers. How cool is that? I was sent these booty wipes to evaluate and I really like it and I think you will too. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.